Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss how to plot irrational number on the number line. First, if I generalize this, how to plot root x where x is non-perfect square on the number line. So for that procedure, what I am going to do, first I am going to draw a line of x centimeter. Root x will be irrational number when x is non-perfect square, right? So first what I am going to do, I am going to draw one line of x centimeter. Then further I am going to extend the line by 1 centimeter. Not this one. So just if I will do this 1 centimeter. So my this case is x centimeter, this is my 1 centimeter. So now if I will draw the perpendicular bisector of this line. So if I will draw the perpendicular bisector of this line, just check, just roughly it's becoming like this. It's not happening, wait. So if I will draw the perpendicular bisector of this line, suppose it will be like this. So just it is hand drawn, that's right. So now total line is of x plus 1. So if I will take only this portion, that will be my x plus 1 divided by 2, right? So now on this, if I take this as circle, this as center, and if I will take this x plus 1 by 2 as radius, and if I will draw a circle, the bigger circle like this, 1 minute. Omit this circle and draw this circle handwritten. One handwritten circle will help us. So if I will draw a circle like this, and I will draw, this is handwritten so you can understand this. So if I will draw a perpendicular on this point where this x centimeter ends, right? So now this will be radius of the circle, this will be radius of the circle. So what is radius of the circle? As we know, radius of the circle is x plus 1 by 2. So length of this side is x plus 1 by 2. What will be length of this portion? Just see, what is the radius of the circle? That is x plus 1 by 2, right? And what is the length of this portion? That is 1. So what will be the length of this one? Length of this one will be, just check, it will be x plus 1 by 2 minus 1. If you calculate, you will get x minus 1 by 2. So this will be x minus 1 by 2. So if I take this as y, using Pythagoras theorem, can we write that? So let's just give one bracket over there. So can we write that y square plus x minus 1 by 2 whole square equals to x plus 1 by 2 whole square. So if we calculate y square equals to x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, that is 4ab. So it's x. So what will be y? Y is by root x. So what is by root x? This is the value of root x. So now I will draw a number line, and suppose this is 0. I will take the measurement of this arc, measurement length of this line I will take, that is by root x, right? So from this 0 I will cut this portion over there. I will write this is my root x, or like this I will write this is my root x, right? So this is in general. Suppose if I have to plot root 2, root 3, root 5 on the number line, that's very easy. Suppose if I have to plot that, so first this is a line, this is the number line, my number line, that is x-axis. So this is x-axis. So this is my 0. So and this is my 1. Okay, and this is my 2. Further if I proceed. So now if I will draw, 1 minute. So if I will draw a line of length 1 unit over here. If I will draw a perpendicular, rather a perpendicular of length 1 unit, if I will draw over there, and if I will just draw these two, if I will just join these two, just let it go properly, a bit more properly, 1 minute. So if I just do this part once again, so 1 minute. So if I will draw by this line only, so what will be the length of this perpendicular? Length of this perpendicular will be, this is 1, that is root over of 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2, right? So now I will take the length of this arc and I will plot there, so this will be my root 2. Is it fine? Next, further if I will proceed and draw one more line over here of 1 unit. So this portion is known as my root 2. This is again 1 unit. And if I will join them by one line, these two, if I will join them by one line, so what will be the length of this line? This will be root over of root 2 square plus 1 square, right? So root over of 2 plus 1, which is 3, so root 3. So this will be root 3. So again if I will take a length of this arc and if I will cut here, that will be root 3. Right? So this is the way we are going to plot root 2 and root 3 on the number 9. So to plot root 3, first we need to draw root 2 and then we can further proceed for root 3. But to plot root 5, that is independent of this. So to plot root 5, I don't need root 2, root 3. What I am going to do on 2, I am going to draw a line of length 1 unit on 2. Right? So now if I will join this with origin, this line if I will draw, what will be length of this line? Length of this line will be root over of 2 square plus 1 square, that is root 5. So I will take the measurement of this line and I will plot it over there. So that will be my root 5. So this is the way I am going to plot root 2, root 3, root 5 on the number line. These threes are very important. That's it separately. That's all in real number. If you have any doubt, please write me in the comment box. Thank you.